What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna be going over how I made $7,700 in about 7 to 10 minutes trading Tesla today. Today is January 4th, 2022. So it is the second day of the trading year for this year. And we're already starting it off on a really good note. So let's take it to the charts and let's break it down. So as you can see, this is Tesla, this is TradingView. I love the chart on this platform. First things first, we always evaluate what's going on with the stock, right? How did the stock perform yesterday? As you can see, Tesla had a huge run yesterday. It was up almost $200, right? Not quite, but it went up a lot. As you can see, it met some resistance around 1209, and that was my level, right? That was a super strong resistance level, so I already had that charted. And just a side note, for the record, I always chart all my plays before the market opens. I do not chart during the day because that's equivalent to going into the trading day without a plan. If you don't have a plan, you're subject to more losses, right? So everything you see right now was already charted before the market even opened. So as I just said, we had a lot of resistance at 1209. I also had a level at 1199. That was gonna be my level for puts, meaning if it broke under this level, I was gonna look to take put options, make money on the downside. I also had a level at 1187 and 1180. So as you can see, Tesla had already broken under my level at 1199.66, right, during the pre-market. As you can see, it broke under, retested that level, and then broke down even further, right? That was the last 5-minute candle before the market opened, and this right here was the opening candle. So the first thing I noticed was that Tesla started going down immediately. It went down immediately, and it went all the way down to about 1178, right? So it automatically had a crazy drop. It went from 1195 down to 1178, which is a pretty big drop. So what did I do? I noticed that Tesla was wicking very hard at this level. The volume was good. Tesla's wicking. That wick signifies that there's a lot of buying power right here. There's a lot of buying pressures. So what I did was I played what's called the bounce, right? I figured that, okay, Tesla has strong volume. They're coming off a run from the previous day. They are wicking at a key support level. So I am going to play the bounce. So what I did was I called in my trading group. A screenshot's popping up right now. You can look at it right now. I said, look, I am playing the bounce on Tesla off of 1180. Right, so I hopped in calls around not exactly 1180, but around 1182, 1183, 1184, and I loaded it with calls. And then what we did was I waited for the next candle. Next candle is very strong. It opened up above our 1187 level, which was really good. And then, like I said, we have to be patient. We have to let the stock do what it does. As you can see, we had another wick though. That was really good. So we had a wick at 1180, then another wick signifying more buying pressure at 1187. And then look, our very next candle, we had a huge push from 1192 all the way up at its highest point, 1206. Now, in the chat, I'm calling it out. Look, I have a price target of 1209. If it can get to 1209 and break, we could really go on a run. But I have a price target of 1209. So if it hits 1209, I'm happy with those profits. But as you can see, it never hit 1209. It came pretty close and started wicking at the top of the candle, which let me know that there was selling pressure here. Sellers did not allow the stock price to go any higher. So we did take profit around 1206. I didn't sell at 1206. I probably sold around 1202, 1203, just because I just couldn't time it. I just didn't know it was going to stop right there, right? So I did sell around 1203. Nonetheless, the play was successful, $7,700, really good play. We definitely caught it in the trading group. Everybody was happy. And as you can see, it was a great time to sell because Tesla ended up going down over $50 after that. But we definitely took advantage of the moment. We got in, we got out. Easy day trade, 5 to 10 minute trade, and that was it. So just a quick recap. We charted our levels pre-market. We took the bounce off 1180. We took it, we hopped in calls, we were patient, we waited on this candle. It started wicking at 1187 for another bounce. Then we made a push all the way to 1206. We were like, okay, this is a key resistance level. Let's go ahead and take profit. We took profit around 1201, 1202, and then we hopped out. I know I walked away with $7,700 in profit. Obviously, you have to play with whatever amount of money you can play with. Everybody starts somewhere. Nothing wrong with that. It was a great day, great trade, 7 to 10 minutes, simple as that. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe. I will be posting more blueprint breakdowns in the future, not just of wins, but of the losses as well, because those are just as important. You need to understand why we lose, and we need to understand why we win. So if you enjoyed that video, like I said, like and subscribe. If you have any questions at all, please leave them down below in the comments, and I'll love to answer them for you. And that's it. I will see you guys in the next video.
Isaac out.
Don't put that shit. Do not put that. And I will see you guys in the next video.